Here at the thing here, you'll see that it turned on, and then right here. So when it gets dark outside, it turns on. It's just that simple. And these are going to be great just lights for around the exterior of our RV when we're walking around at night. If we have to check on something at night, these will light 24 around the circumference of our RV. They'll give us a little lighted path around there, a little lighting at night when it's dark. So I'd say these are great. They're not super expensive and super light and super easy to use. Go out and get yourself a set of these nice outdoor solar lights.